Did you know that 1 in 10 black people in the United States is actually an immigrant? And did you know that black immigrants are among the highest achieving blacks in the entire United States? And did you know that among the highest achieving blacks in the United States, black immigrants, the Jamaicans, Haitian, Nigerians, and Ghanaians are among the highest. Nigeria, Ghana, Jamaica, and Haiti have people that are among the highest degree holders in the entire United States. Let's look at Nigeria, for example. Nigerians over 25 have a bachelor's degree holding rate of almost 40%. Now that is remarkable. If you don't understand what that the significance of that is, take a look at the United States Department of Education statistics, and you will see what I mean. See what the national average is. But does that, however, mean that Nigerians in the United States are living in a bed of roses? No, by far no. United States is a huge contradiction. It is a rich country, but most people in the United States are actually poor. In fact, 2% owns everything in the country. 20% manages it for the 2%. That 20% is like engineers, CEOs, general managers, lawyers, doctors, so forth. And then you have like almost a permanent 78% underclass. That's the economic status quo in the United States. That's the reality of it. But you may ask, though, Nigerians back home may ask, so what's the significance? Why should I be impressed by Nigerians over 25 holding a 40% rate of bachelor's degree in the United States? Well, the significance of that for people back home is that Nigerians abroad contribute upwards to 7% of the GDP in Nigeria. 70%, I mean 7%. 7% of the GDP, 7% of the economy in Nigeria relies on money remitted from Nigerians living abroad. Now, I don't know if everybody understand what 7% is, but 7% of Nigerians' GDP is a lot of money, a lot of money. And for such a small segment of Nigeria, expatriates abroad contributing so highly to the economy, that is a significant thing that is worth mentioning. The uh, the fact that Jamaicans, Haitians, Nigerians, and Ghanaians have achieved such tremendous height in terms of education and earning power in the United States, it is something that is worth applauding. Thanks for watching Bob Montego. If you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, and tell someone about us. Thanks again for watching.